Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Williams Sonoma credit card, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Williams Sonoma website. Look for the credit card section, usually found in the footer or under customer service. Click on the link that directs you to the Williams Sonoma credit card information. Review the benefits and features of the card to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've decided to apply, look for the Apply Now button. Click on the Apply Now button to start the application process. You will be redirected to the application form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. Provide your email address and phone number for communication purposes. Next, enter your Social Security number for identification. Input your date of birth to confirm your eligibility. You'll need to provide your annual income and employment information. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. Read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for a few moments as your application is processed. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your application status. If approved, you should receive your credit card in the mail within a few weeks. If you have any questions about your application, contact customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.